Over a year ago, the Isofix for the rear for these models were discontinued. We know that many of you still need Isofix brackets to fit your child seats, so we've been busy getting them back in production. They've been independently tested by the SGS and actually has a strength stronger than the original brackets. And these are as easy to install as the original ones. You just lift the seat up and then you remove the screw for the belt. It's a 15mm hex bolt. And when you remove that, you can remove this cover over the threads on the other side. And then you put the Isofix into place and use the included nut and washer on the one side and reuse the old bolt on the other side. And then they're torqued down to 40 Newton meters on the bolt. And 30 Newton meters on the nut. You can also buy these plastic guides to make mounting of the child seat more easy. So if you need this for your Volvo, you can buy them now at Vparts.se.